Creating surveys in HubSpot. Welcome to this tutorial on creating surveys in HubSpot, a powerful tool for gathering insights and feedback from your customers and prospects. In this video, we'll show you how to create and customize surveys in HubSpot and how to use them to improve your marketing and sales efforts. To get started, log in to your HubSpot account and navigate to the Marketing section. From there, click on Surveys to access the Survey Builder. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates and questions to create your survey. When creating a survey, you can choose from a range of question types, including multiple choice, rating scales, and text boxes. You can also add images, videos, and other multimedia elements to make your survey more engaging. One of the key benefits of using HubSpot surveys is that they can be integrated with other HubSpot tools, such as contact properties and lead scoring. This means that you can use survey data to inform your marketing and sales strategies and to personalize your interactions with customers and prospects. To get the most out of your survey, it's essential to keep it concise and focused. Aim for a survey that's no longer than 5 to 7 questions, and make sure each question is clear and easy to understand. Once you've created your survey, you can share it with your audience through email, social media, or other channels. You can also track the responses to your survey in real time and use the data to make informed decisions about your marketing and sales efforts. By using HubSpot surveys, you can gain valuable insights into your customers' needs and preferences and use that information to drive business growth. So, let's get started with creating our survey in HubSpot.